Before we get into numbers, imagine this. You're finishing work at exactly 6:40 p.m. Your phone buzzes with a payment notification. There's a crisp $5 left in your wallet, and a dozen ways to spend it before you reach home. A cold drink. A snack. A quick online purchase. Something that makes the next 10 minutes a little better. Most people never stop to think about that decision. Because it's only $5. Too small to argue over. Too small to remember tomorrow. But what if that same $5 quietly decided whether your future self struggled or slept peacefully? This isn't a story about getting rich overnight. It's about two people who earn similar incomes, live in similar neighborhoods, and make almost identical financial choices, except for one tiny habit repeated over 40 years. And by the end, that habit creates a gap worth more than $500,000. Let's begin. At 25 years old, Alex starts his first full-time job. His paycheck isn't impressive. Rent takes a big bite out of it. Bills arrive every month without fail. By the time everything is paid, there isn't much left. One evening he notices something strange. Without thinking, he spends around $5 almost every day. Some days it's coffee. Some days it's an energy drink. Other days it's snacks, random online purchases, or something that feels insignificant the moment it's bought. Individually, none of those purchases matter. Together, they happen almost every single day. Instead of trying to save huge amounts, Alex asks himself one simple question. What if I save just this one $5? That night he downloads an investing app. No stock picking. No predictions. No chasing headlines. He simply buys a low-cost index fund that represents hundreds of large companies. His account balance reads exactly $5. It almost feels embarrassing. $5 doesn't look like an investment. It looks like loose change. But he makes himself one promise. He won't judge the results for years. He sets an automatic investment of about $152 every month, roughly the same as investing $5 every day. After that, the decision disappears. He no longer has to rely on motivation. The money leaves automatically before he has the chance to spend it somewhere else. A year passes. Alex is now 26. His account is worth roughly $1,900. He personally contributed about $1,825. The market added around $75. Only $75. Hardly exciting. During lunch, one of his coworkers asks how the investing experiment is going. Alex tells him the truth. I've made about $75. His coworker laughs. That's it. I can make $75 in an afternoon. He's probably right. The coworker buys lunch every workday. Stops for drinks on the drive home. Makes little purchases that seem harmless because they're always around $5. Neither of them feels richer or poorer because of those daily choices. The difference is invisible. One person's $5 disappears forever. The other person's $5 quietly buys another tiny piece of businesses that continue working long after the purchase is forgotten. Alex doesn't argue. He simply keeps investing. By the time he turns 30, 5 years have passed. His account has grown to around $11,000. Out of that, he personally invested about $9,000. The rest came from growth. That's when something finally clicks. The money isn't growing because he's smarter. It isn't growing because he discovered a secret. It's growing because time has been working every single day, even while he wasn't paying attention. Then temptation arrives. A friend excitedly sends him screenshots of a brand new investment that surged 400% in just 1 week. I already put $2,000 into it, his friend says. You should too. The numbers are tempting. Making 400% in a week sounds far more exciting than waiting years for slow, steady growth. But Alex notices something familiar. Every shortcut promises the same thing. Big rewards. Very little patience. He decides to stay with his boring plan. 3 months later, that investment crashes nearly 90%. The excitement disappears almost as quickly as it arrived. Alex's routine doesn't change. Every month. Around $152. Automatically invested. No drama. No guessing. No panic. Just consistency. By the time Alex celebrates his 35th birthday, investing has become as ordinary as paying the electricity bill. He no longer checks his portfolio every week. In fact, months go by without opening the app. Then one year, the market turns ugly. News channels flash words like panic sell-off and recession. Prices fall fast. His portfolio drops by nearly one-third. Friends begin pulling their money out. Some swear they'll invest again. When things feel safe, Alex almost joins them. Almost. Instead, he remembers why he started. He wasn't investing for this year. He was investing for decades. So he keeps the automatic $152 monthly investment running. Without realizing it, every contribution is now buying more shares while prices are lower. Years later, he'll recognize that this frightening period quietly became one of the best opportunities of his investing journey. At 40, something remarkable happens. His portfolio reaches roughly $52,600. He's personally contributed about $27,000. The rest has come from investment growth. For the first time, his investments have earned more than half of what's in the account. That's the moment he understands compound growth. It no longer feels like he's pushing the money forward. Now the money has started pushing itself. Around this time, layoffs hit his company. Several coworkers panic. Some have only a few weeks of savings. Alex isn't celebrating. He's simply calmer. Knowing he has investments quietly working in the background changes the way uncertainty feels. Money can't eliminate every problem, but it can buy time to make better decisions. By 45, his balance approaches $89,000. His total contributions are around $36,000. At a class reunion, conversations revolve around expensive cars, luxury watches, and vacations financed with debt. Alex arrives in the same reliable car he's owned for years. It isn't flashy, but it's paid off. One former coworker asks if he ever kept investing. Alex smiles. I never stopped. When he mentions the approximate balance, the conversation suddenly becomes quiet. People assume there must be some secret. There isn't. No perfect stock. No insider information. Just thousands of ordinary days where he chose consistency over excitement. At 50, the account grows to around $144,000. He's invested approximately $45,000 himself. Financial headlines constantly warn that many people are approaching retirement with very little saved. Alex realizes something important. His income was never extraordinary. His advantage wasn't earning more. It was allowing time to do work that couldn't be rushed. Small amounts invested consistently had become something much larger than they ever appeared at the beginning. At 55, his portfolio reaches roughly $226,000. His lifetime contributions total about $55,000. Everything above that has been created by decades of growth. Now, in a strong market year, his investments can increase by more than he personally contributes. That's a strange feeling. Years ago, every dollar depended on him. Now the portfolio has developed momentum of its own. Finally, Alex turns 65. 40 years have passed since he decided to redirect a simple $5 a day. His investment account is worth about $531,000. Here's what makes that number so powerful. He personally invested about $73,000. The remaining $458,000 came from long-term growth. Not from luck. Not from perfect timing. Not from finding the next big winner. Simply from patience. Two people can earn the same paycheck for 40 years. One spends an extra $5 every day without thinking. The other invests that same $5 consistently. Neither decision feels important in the moment. But decades later, those tiny choices produce two completely different financial futures. Success rarely arrives because of one life-changing decision. More often, it's built from small decisions repeated so many times that they eventually become part of who you are. The next time $5 passes through your hands, remember this. It isn't about the amount. It's about the direction. Because small choices don't usually change your life today. They quietly build the life you'll be living years from now.